equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by powering off your Lenovo Legion 5. Unplug it and remove the battery if possible. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver for the screws on the back panel. Carefully unscrew and lift the panel to access the internals. Once open, inspect the motherboard for any visible damage. Look for burnt components or loose connections. Next, check the hard drive. Ensure it's securely connected and free from dust. A can of compressed air is great for cleaning out any debris. If you notice any issues, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's reassemble. Replace the back panel and screw it back in place. Make sure everything is secure. For those who prefer convenience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple process. Before you repair, always ask for a quote before repair. This ensures you know the costs up front. Finally, power on your device to check if everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your laptop. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.